Okay, I'm looking for the muskrat. This is the scene of the muskrat where it was. Nothing here. There's a bird flying. No muskrat though. Is that it? Nope, that's a rock. How do you work this thing? Oh, there you go. As you can see, it's not there. Alexandra of the future. It's not there. I'm sure you probably know that. That's really shaky. Don't know what that is. Shipwreck, probably. Bird has something. Nope. It just flew in the water. Okay. I'm trying to film this bird without shaking. It's really hard. It's pretty close, but... Oh. So, I guess the muskrat didn't come. Kind of disappointing. So, the end.